It's the off season, and we somehow have an injury update. This time from Christian Craig, who obviously just signed his, I don't know, you want to call it, kind of retirement deal or mentorship deal with Star Racing Yamaha, or with Yamaha, to help develop the younger crowd and race the 450. Well, on his Instagram, he says, "quote Not the news I wanted to share, but also not the end of the world. In the very last race of the year, I went off the track after the sand section, and when I was re-entering the track, I slid and dabbed my leg. Didn't even fall. Unfortunately, surgery was the best option to get it fixed up the right way. Thank you, Airbo MD, for getting me in so quick last week. With some hard PT, I shouldn't be off the bike too long and back racing with Star Racing Yamaha crew. It looks like a knee injury, so who knows, torn tendon, something or other, but I think surgeries and uh, rehab time are kind of become his natural norm for the last few years. Uh, I mean, if you really think about this, he's not probably signed to that team to go win. With Cooper Webb and Justin Cooper and Eli Tomac still there, another 450 rider. He's really there to help develop probably Deegan because he has such a good relationship, whatever you want to say with him already from when they were racing together with the 250s. So for him, it's probably just, hey, we're going to give you a 450 ride. Still going to go race, and we expect you to do well. Like, obviously, they don't want him to finish 20th every single race. And I think if he's comfortable on the bike and he's, healthy, I think he's a good top 10 guy. I don't see him fighting for podiums or wins or championships. And this is coming from somebody who likes Christian Craig. I'm a fan of him. I think he's, a pretty cool guy. Seems to be very, straight and on the narrow about like just an easygoing family guy, whatever. But really this seems like the contract of, hey, we're trying to get Deegan ready for the 450s in the next 2 years, and we know you have a good relationship with him. We know you're fast on the 250, so help him go win that 250 championship. Hopefully, you get the follow up the next year, and then we'll see where this goes. And for him, I think this is fine. Obviously, the last couple years with Husqvarna didn't go very well with the injuries to his elbow and subsequent surgery and surgery and surgery and surgery. So if he can just kind of stay healthy, not crash, not have any big problems, we'll see how this goes. Back on a team that obviously he likes with the championship he won, and we'll see what this is. But comments down below. You guys tell me. How well do you think this is going to help Deegan? Is this a positive thing for him, having a mentor, or whatever it is? Comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really does help me out, and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.